Kate and I are going on a bike ride.
Yeah!
Check out my apparel. Okay, let's do this.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Kate. It's your day to wait for people, Kate, since I'm holding the camera.
Are you still holding that phone?
I'm still holding the camera.
You better be holding
Got it. My hat's flying off! Oh my god, I'm gonna crash.
Oh my gosh, tell me when you're gonna break. I'm gonna run into your bike.
Okay. Let's do it!
Yay!
I got this! I'm getting really tired because I'm not even concentrating on pedaling. Kate! Whoa, look at that. It's a bird. It's a fake bird. Oh, shit. Okay. Keep going. We gotta see if Jackie's home. Okay. I just Oh, I wish Fountain Hills was downhill, not uphill. Okay. You know what? Now, your turn. Oh, you look beautiful with the sun. You look prettiful. Keep moving, Kate!
No!
Keep moving!
Never!
Never say never. You know what?
Oh my gosh, I should blast my iPod and we can go around.
Alright. We're gonna go blast the iPod. Thank you very much. Please rate, comment, subscribe, because we love you.